You know,
exactly what I need to do. I was out here last week with the towel
I saw
over my
you
head.
and I have the same problem with mine. And I said, you know, I'm just experimenting here with some stuff.
How's it work?
It's actually working pretty darn good. I know it. That's what I was saying. You know, when I get it, it's like up close, you know, because I have to throw a pair of reading glasses on. And I've got an actual pair of reading glasses I scrapped, and I've got a lens slid in on the side of it,
Yeah.
so I can see the screen, everything just like you got your glasses on.
Well, that is cool.
But it stays.
I looked at that video I took last week, and geez, man, the airplane's hardly ever in it.
I know it.
This one here is like, he uploaded some from last week, and they're rock solid right here. He's able to zoom in on it.
That's great, man.
Yeah, I've got.
You ought to make up a few of them and sell them on eBay. That's a good idea.
About the 5th or 6th generation of that. We've tried several things.
Are you satisfied with it, Nigel?
Here's sputtering.
So is it too rich or too lean?